Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley here, and today I'm going to talk about some things that can happen with orthodontics. So there's two main problems that happen with orthodontics that really can affect the health of your teeth here. One of them is actually recession. So a lot of times they'll push the teeth outside of the bone to make them look good and put them in the place that's good for your bite. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't have a whole lot of bone, especially on the lower front teeth here. And this is a case where they've got thin gum and they've got thin bone, and you can see how the gums are lower on several teeth than others there. This is a case on a young kid, and well, over time that's likely going to cause recession unless you do something about it. So that is one thing that can definitely happen with orthodontics. Another thing that can happen is actually bone loss. So how orthodontics actually works is they push the tooth against the bone, and that resorbs it over here, and then you deposit or grow new bone on the other side. So that way you can push the tooth and it keeps moving along. The only problem is if you have gum disease, it'll push the tooth and it'll resorb the bone, but it won't deposit any new bone on the other side. So that can lead to significant amounts of bone loss in a very short period of time. And I have seen people lose a lot of teeth because of that. So if you are getting orthodontics, you want to make sure that you see a periodontist, or you at least get checked by your general dentist to make sure that you do not have gum disease, because that is something that can definitely cause some issues in the future for you. So if you think you have any issues, or you're thinking of getting Invisalign or orthodontics, please give us a call and we can take a look at you. Thank you.